Hi, and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's about measurement, the Caliper Confusion. We were running a batch of precision bushings. Tolerances were tight, but nothing out of the ordinary. Mid-run, one of the guys checked a part with a vernier caliper and swore it was undersized. We stopped the job, pulled more parts, and sure enough, every single one measured out of spec. It didn't make sense. The setup was right, the offsets were good, the tools were sharp, so we grabbed a second caliper to double check, and guess what? Every part was perfect. Turns out the first caliper hadn't been zeroed before use. It was off just enough to make good parts look bad. We lost an hour chasing the problem that didn't even exist. Lesson learned. Always zero your measuring tools before you trust them. Bad measurements can waste just as much time and money as a bad cut. Ever had a measurement mistake send you down the wrong path? Share it in the comments. We've all been there. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.